If you're somebody who is kind of looking for purpose, wanting to live with purpose, or maybe you're trying to live with purpose and you're feeling really frustrated and discouraged, this video is for you. So I'm going to share from Ephesians 2:10 and basically draw out 3 points that are going to help you be encouraged to keep pursuing purpose and persevering in whatever path you're already on. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. My takeaways from that I can share with you are, first, that we are created perfectly in Christ. Sometimes something that holds people back, myself included, is feeling like there's something wrong with me. I am not enough. I'm an imposter. Who am I to do this? And all of those kind of things. There's like, I don't have the X factor. There's something wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with you. God created you, and you have exactly what you need in you to fulfill your purpose. And that's not to say that you're not going to learn and grow, because of course that's what everybody does. That's what everybody has to do, right? Like Michael Jordan didn't just like come out of the womb, into the NBA, but like we have what we need and we can build upon that, and we have the resources we need right now to get started. And God will continue to provide as you walk on that path. A little affirmation I like to use to remind myself of this is, when God calls, he equips. Number 2, we are created with a purpose. So if you ever feel like life is purposeless or you don't have much purpose, you do. As a Christian, believe it, because the word, the truth, that's what it says. We're created with purpose. We have good works that God already planned for us to do. So it is there. There is something. And I want to encourage you to not feel like it has to be like one single thing. It's millions of different things, millions of different decisions. When we walk in the Spirit, and say yes, we will be more and more aligned with the good works that God has in store for us. Takeaway number 3 is that purpose requires action, that we should walk in these good works that were planned before us. That does not mean waiting forever for God to send some super interesting message to you. We need to walk in them daily. It doesn't have to be big and flashy, but it is important that we do that, and that is a part of living purposefully. And it's not a destination, it's that journey and walking with purpose. As a recap, we are created perfectly in Christ. We are who we need to be, or are going that direction. We are created with purpose. There are good works planned for us, and it does require that we act and we live it out. God gave us our physical bodies, our hands, our feet, our minds, our brains, to actually live these things out here on earth while Jesus is up in heaven. And it's a really beautiful relationship, and really awesome that he empowered us to do these things. And he did empower us. He gave us the power to do these good works. So whatever it is that you feel called to do, I encourage you to do it, or move that direction, take that first step. So I'd love for you to leave a comment about what you are going to do today to live with more purpose. And also, if you like this video, please do like it, because that will help spread this to the right people. And also, of course, if you know people who would enjoy this video or my channel, then share it with them, because that would be awesome. And maybe that's your purpose for today, is just share this with somebody. I don't know. Okay, so have a good day. Bye.